Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Northwest Cape Coral and I have this beautiful home here to show you. Okay, this is the Madison floor plan and it's a very nice floor plan. Okay, as you can see, it has a triple car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it's very nice inside. They have done a lot of changes inside to this model, so it looks very nice this year. Okay, that's what I'm starting to do all of my videos all over again, because the builders have changed the inside a little and I want to bring you up to date with the new models. Okay, this home right here I just checked and there's 5 being built right now that they're going to be completed in the next few months. So I'm going to put on the barcode all those homes that are available that you could actually purchase, and when they're completed you could move in, so that way you can see them, you can see the prices and the different locations where they're located. Okay, so I'm going to be putting that on the barcode and also a link on the description below, so that way you get to see what's available and what are the prices and where they are. Okay, so feel free to scan with your phone if you're on the TV, or go in the description below if you're on the computer or phone. Okay, this is a standard 80 by 125 lot in Cape Coral, so you have an idea what it looks like. You have a nice outdoor area with pavers. The home right now, it's not clean. It's just completed, but it's not clean and it's missing a couple of things like the appliances. So I'll show you when I get inside. But it's pretty in good condition that I can actually do the video for it. Okay. For those people that are, they're thinking about moving to Cape Coral and you're looking for a big house, this house has 2,020 square feet on the air, so it's a pretty big house. And like I said before, it's a 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, and it's a very nice layout. Okay, for me, this layout is really nice. This is one of my layouts I like the most. Also, another thing that this builder does, they help you with closing costs, and they have a lot of incentives with the finance. So and they put manager specials and all that. So if you want to stay in contact, just give us a call, and if you like this home, we can tell you when they got special deals going on. And I think right now, they got one of these homes in one of those special deals for this month. So you could go ahead and give us a call at 239-410-7372, or just send us a text so we can fill you in on it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go inside and show you what the home looks like inside. Let's go ahead. As you come in, you're welcome with this nice door. It has a little glass on the top, and you have a combination. Okay, we're in. Check it out. You're welcome with this long hallway, and as you can see, one of the new things that they changed on this home is the floor. It used to have square tiles. Now they have these nice blank floors. Also, they did the color of the walls. This is like a little light brown. Remember, this is a spec homes, so you don't have no choice of the color or anything you're gonna get. Okay, so I'm just letting you know that it's a home for the typical buyer that is looking for a home that you just move in and you don't have to do absolutely anything to it. That's the type of home who's the right buyer for this home. Okay, this house has everything. It has the blinds, it has the appliances, everything. So this is room number 1. It's in front of the house. As you can see, it's a pretty good size. Okay, you have a nice big window in the front. And another thing that they changed, I think, is the closets. Before, you used to have the blind doors, and now you have a door that you just open and the closet's right there. So that's cool. Okay, now we're gonna take a look at the guest bathroom. Okay, as you can see, they do tile all the way almost to the top there. And you get a bathtub and a shower. Okay, over here you got your toilet. And another thing that they changed this year, they actually added quartz to the bathroom. And I think they changed the way the cabinets are too. I don't think they have handles. Okay, so now let's keep moving on. This right here, you have a very nice towel closet here. And this will be room number 2. As you can see, they're pretty good size. Another thing that I noticed is they have a light. Before, the rooms didn't have a light up there. They had the hookup for the fan, but they didn't have a light. So I think that's something else that they're adding this year. Okay, all the rooms, they have carpet, and the rest of the home has tile. Okay, this is the other closet. Okay, now I like it that it's very spacious. I mean, these hallways are not like closed in or anything. You don't feel claustrophobic here. Okay, so now over here you have another closet. Something that a lot of people like, to have a lot of closets. And over here you got your laundry room, that it will come with a washer and dryer. It's not here. It's the only shame that I would love to have everything on it, but I cannot always get the homes completed like I want them, okay? So this is what I really like about this home, that you have this room, okay? This room offers you a bathroom, okay? So this is the room. Okay, you have your room here. The closet is a little bit different. You have a double door entrance to the closet. And over here, right inside the room, you have your home bathroom. For me, this is why most of my buyers, they like this floor plan, because of this bathroom right here in this room. If you have in-laws, if you have kids that don't want to leave home, this is a great room for them, okay? So this is one of the reasons why a lot of people like this floor plan. And the other reason is in the garage. You also have a humongous garage. Okay, check this out. Like I was saying before, if you're looking to move to Cape Coral and you need a big house, I think for square footage, this home offers everything that you need, not being that expensive, okay? Compared to the other homes that I show in my videos, okay? This is more like a down-to-earth kind of home, okay? Over here, this is your kitchen over here, dining room at the end, and this is your living room. As you can see, it's extremely spacious, okay? The kitchen comes with Korean counter, like the bathroom. You have your under-mount sink. And let me show you the space for your dining room. Check this out. Very nice and spacious area. I don't know if you could hear the echo when I speak here, because I mean, this room is very big. So you don't have the 8-foot doors or the high ceilings, but it's just a home, okay? It's not fancy, but it's for a family, it's a very nice home. Okay, now let's go ahead here, and this is something that everybody likes when you have a big family, a nice big pantry. Here's where your refrigerator will go, and over here your stove with your microwave, and your dishwasher will go there. I'm gonna try to see if later on I find another home that has all the appliances in, so you can see what they look like. But you know, this is what I got today. But the house, at least as you can see, is nice and clean. It's not under construction. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. Here's the master bedroom. Check this out. As you can see, very spacious also. You got your nice 2 windows, big windows that bring a lot of light inside the room. For the price of what's out there for resales, like I said before, this is a good buy, especially that the builder offers you closing cost. And if you get the right home, you might even get lower interest rates. So that's something, depends on the type of home you get when they put those specials up. but you will have to use their lender in order to be able to get those incentives. Okay, so here's your closet, walk-in closet. Check how nice, big size. And here's your double sink. And here's your shower. And as you can see, it's a big shower. It's not like a shower that you're gonna hit the curtain when you're taking a shower and the wall at the same time. And this is a second closet. And then over here you have your toilet closet. And back here, forgot to tell you, you got your towel closet here. So tell me what you guys think about this home. Okay, let me know. And remember, they're building right now, I think it's 5 of them. So if you scan the barcode, you will see whatever they have. At this time it's 5 when I'm doing this video, but whatever they have, if they have more or they have less, that video is a live video. So anytime they add homes or they take homes out, you'll be on that list. Okay, so feel free to check around, and that way you can stay in touch with what's going on with this floor plan. And also when you go to the list, it will give you select the home, it will give you the price and a description of everything inside the home. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this nice video here. I want you guys to remember, if you're looking for a home in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, my wife and I have been selling real estate in this area for over 20 years. So if you have questions on this home or any home out there, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Another thing, if you're interested in looking at open houses, okay, you don't have to be here in Cape Coral to do open houses, okay? I'm doing the driving for you. So if you go on the link below, I'm gonna put my 239openhouse.com link, that if you click on it, it's open houses that I have gone and seen from different companies and offices that I've gone see and done the open house. So I have filmed it, and you'll be able to see what's available in the open houses right now. So right now, I think you got like 32 active open houses. I try to keep all those open houses in the 239 openhouse.com. I try to keep them, most of them active, and I check every week to make sure they're active. So if you see anything that is not active when you're watching them, feel free to send me a comment so I could take that video out, okay? But the good thing is that most of them are active, and if you scan the barcode or go in the description below, you will have access to the price and all the information about the property. So I'm gonna end up this video right now. Thank you for watching. Please, give me a like. It really helps the algorithm with YouTube for me to get more views and more people like you watching. So please, if you like my videos, if you're a subscriber and you're watching all my videos, hit that subscribe button, okay? No, subscribe button, I'm sorry. Hit the like button, okay? If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out with the algorithm, and I really like when you like, because I see that you guys are watching, okay? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.